I'm trying to use Redfin to find the ARV, but I've been struggling. Do you have a video on that or any help with that? So it's difficult to use Redfin exclusively for ARVs. If you don't have MLS access, I would use a combination of Redfin, Zillow, real estate agent.com. What's the main one? Realtor.com. Realtor.com, and maybe there's probably one or two more that will give you an estimated number, but use multiple of them, right? Don't just pick one, okay? Now, again, these services individually aren't really designed first with the ARV first in mind. It's just an estimated number. So in order to get a really good comp or comps on the property that you are trying to find the ARV on, it's best to use your local MLS or a third-party company that will pull MLS data, okay? Mike and I have MLS access. In fact, Mike's a broker, and we tend to find ourselves using PropStream most of the time to pull comps, all right? Now, the estimated number that even when PropStream gives us one doesn't mean that's what the ARV is. When we are finding an ARV, we have to dig a little, all right? Doesn't mean you got to spend 2 hours doing it, but you got to spend 5 or 10 minutes typically minimum looking at the other properties. How like are they? How close are they? How long ago were they sold, right? What updates did they have compared to yours? And why are the prices the way they are? You have to learn those things, okay? So that's a great question. I would say don't put all your eggs in one basket, and that basket in this case is Redfin. Use multiple resources, guys. It's definitely going to help you out in the long run.
Yeah, and in our market, Redfin just never really seemed to be that good, right? Never took off or whatever.
Yep.
Yeah, so we don't have anything on Redfin specifically, and as Dave said, do a couple different ones.